Today we're showing this custom automatic swing-out gate made by Art Metal Workshop. This gate features a modern CNC-cut privacy panel design with horizontal cutouts placed in different lengths to create a clean architectural pattern. The design gives the property more privacy without making the entrance look too heavy or fully closed off. The dark steel finish works well with the modern exterior, helping the gate blend into the property while still giving the driveway a strong, finished look. This gate is automated with a LiftMaster opener, making daily access simple and convenient. There is also an access keypad installed near the entrance, allowing controlled entry without needing to manually open the gate. The full setup gives the property a more modern, secure, and polished entrance while keeping the design clean and minimal. Everything is custom made to fit the opening, the property layout, and the style of the home. For custom automatic gates, CNC-cut privacy panels, metal fencing, and access control setups, contact Art Metal Workshop in Toronto, Ontario.